Kumusta? Magandang araw! Nandito na naman tayo upang mag-aral ng math. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa division of integers. Ang pag-divide ng integers ay katulad lamang sa pag-divide ng whole numbers. Kailangan lang nating tandaan yung rules governing the signs of the numbers. Kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng integers, sinusunod natin ang mga rules na ito. Una, kapag nagdi-divide tayo ng integers having the same sign, ang sagot ay laging positive. Kapag nag-divide naman tayo ng integers na magkaiba ang sign, ang sagot ay laging negative. Let's have some examples. So we have negative 12 divided by negative 3. Parehas sila ng sign, so the answer is positive 4. Then we have also 15 divided by negative 5. Ito, magkaiba sila ng sign, kaya ang sagot natin ay negative 3. Another one, we have 18 divided by 2. So, parehas sila ng sign, which is positive, kaya ang sagot natin ay positive 9. If we have negative 14 divided by 7, so magkaiba sila ng sign, the answer is negative 2. We also have 24 divided by 6. So, parehas sila ng sign. The answer is positive 4. Finally, we have negative 30 divided by 5. Magkaiba sila ng sign, kaya ang sagot ay negative 6. Magsagot pa tayo ng ilang examples. So, 10 divided by negative 5. Dito mapapansin natin na yung pag-divide natin ay ginamit natin yung fraction form. So, normally sa algebra, ganito na talaga tayo magsulat kapag nagdi-divide tayo. We use the fraction form. So, again, 10 divided by negative 5 equals negative 2 kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Negative 30 over 6 or negative 30 divided by 6, magkaiba sila ng sign. So, ang sagot natin, negative 5. We also have negative 54 divided by negative 6. So, parehas silang ng sign. Kahit na parehas sa negative yon, dahil parehas sila ng sign, the answer is positive 9. We also have 24 divided by 2. Again, parehas sila ng sign. So, the answer is positive 12. We also have negative 35 divided by 5. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. The answer is negative 7. Finally, we have negative, or rather 29 divided by negative 1. So, magkaiba sila ng sign, irregardless kung sino ang mas malaki ang absolute value, basta nag-divide tayo at magkaiba ng sign, the answer is always negative. So, the answer is negative 29. However, tatandaan natin na kapag ang isang number or integer ay dinivide sa 0, the answer is undefined. So, negative 3 divided by 0, it is undefined. Kahit nasa fraction form siya, 5 divided by 0, it is still undefined. Ganon din, kapag ang 0 naman ang dinivide natin sa kahit anong integer, the answer is always equal to 0. So, 0 divided by 7 is equals to 0. Kahit sa fraction form din, 0 divided by negative 8, the answer is 0. Ang pag-divide ng integers ay madali lamang. Ngayon, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay to ensure na alam mo kung paano mag-divide very well. It will go back to multiplication table. No? Kung mapapractice mo yung multiplication table, makakapag-divide ka ng mas mabilis. Salamat! Hanggang sa muli!